dito tayo muli sa Thanksgiving and evaluation po natin. First of all, congratulations sa CFC Abu Dhabi. Okay, for a very victorious anniversary in our service. Maghihirap, mag-practice, magsayaw. We honor them for the spirit to move on sa mga plans para maging successful ang ating anniversary. Salamat sa inyo mga kapatid.
I'm forever thankful for the skies up above, for the birds that sing and fly up so high. I'm forever thankful for the wind and the rain, how they refresh me and remind me of my King. I will shout forever, you are my Lord, all throughout eternity. You are the King. You are praiseworthy. You are praiseworthy. You are praiseworthy. Oh
man, we would like to thank first yung ating mga worship leaders at yung mga sharers natin. Kasi basically, pag PFL po, ang trabaho namin is yung pastoral side ng event. So, related siya sa worship, sa sharing, dadaan siya sa review. Our community or Couples for Christ community is celebrated by many or is celebrated every year.
Thankful for the stars in the night, how they sparkle and light up the night skies. All of this beauty, oh how profound. All of this power, all of this love, I will shout forever, you are my Lord.
Kasi kahit pagod ka, lahat tayo pagod. And I am pagod, honestly. But sabi nga niya namin Ate Mati, sa kanil ni Sis Krisha, kahit pagod, pag-uwian na, nakatawa pa din. At the end, the next day, nakatawa pa rin. So, let's always put the joy first kasi we are doing this for God, not for ourselves or for anyone else. And maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ito Rehan, Tita Christy, thank you so much. It's really a victory for our 31st anniversary. Thank you po. Alam ko marami nagkasakit, alam ko maraming napagod, alam ko maraming hindi natulog yung pero still nandun kayo to assist us para ma-perfect yung ating event. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong ninyo, sa lahat ng inyong service.
Maraming salamat. Punong-puno na kami ng pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Kasi wala kaming itapon at anuhin sa lahat ng ginawa ninyo. Kasi alam namin, even the International Council, we're so amazed of what you have done. Lahat sila nagko-congratulate. Alam namin yung effort, hindi madali, pero marami tayong challenges. Panginoon talagang He make it simplified na makita yung kanyang to glorify Him in its simplest way. Kaya nga sabi namin, maraming salamat kasi hindi kayo nawawala ng pag-asa sa lahat ng mga turnout of communication and lahat ng mga pangyayari in between. Anyway, marami pa tayong mga susunod na mga event.
Service team and whole Abu Dhabi, maraming salamat po and happy 31st CFC UAE anniversary to all of us. Praise God for this.
Your truth endures.